Now let's customize our header. At the top of your website, you'll see your header here. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on Edit Header. Here you'll see a few different tabs. Let's start with the Layout tab. This is where you can choose how your header is going to look. Right now it's set to this first option here, where my logo is on the left, my main menu is on the right, and if I add a store functionality later on, that will be on the right-hand side as well. To change it up, you can click on a new layout, and you'll see that change reflect here at the top. I think I'm okay with the first one it chose for us, so I'll click on that. Then let's move on to the Elements tab. Here you can toggle things like your logo, social icons, and buttons, and you can edit all of them here on the left-hand side. Next up is the Logo tab. We'll upload our logo in just a moment, so I'll leave this alone for now. And lastly, let's check out the Style tab. Here you can change out a few different design elements, like your header background color, whether you want it to be transparent, and you can also change out your text font and header text color. I'm okay with everything for now, so let's go ahead and upload our logo. I'll go back to Logo at the top and click on Replace Image. Let's go ahead and drag and drop in my logo. And if you don't have a logo, you can easily create one for your website by using a website like Canva. Now that my logo has been uploaded, I'll select it here. That will be uploaded to my website.